Hello, my dear friends. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. In today's video, we will be discussing what is a complex immigration planning. I'm going to give you an update what's happening in my company and how we are improving the processes and what kind of innovation we are bringing to the market. No one has ever done this, no one is doing this, and I believe that in the near future, no one will be able to do this. And at the end of this video, you will be able to learn how to book your complex immigration planning. Stay tuned. Let's go. All right, if you guys have been watching me for a while, first of all, you learned that Stanislav Shamayev and Shamayev Business Law is one of the best companies on the market who provides great services in the field of business immigration, investment immigration, and immigration through your talent. We are narrowly specializing in those fields. And this is very important, guys, because if, for example, you have a shoulder pain, right? Like your shoulder hurts, you will not go to the doctor who is specializing on the feet. You won't go to cardiologist. You won't go to urologist. You'll go to orthoped, and also not only those, but those who specialize on shoulders. Tell me if I'm wrong. Smash the like button if you agree with this example. If you want to get the business visa or investment visa or talent visa, you want to pick an attorney who specializes in those areas, right? You don't want to go to immigration attorney who does the family law or who does all kind of law or who does asylum law or deportation, right? So you want to go to attorney who does only cases like that. And that's, for example, me. So what's the process of actually becoming my client at this point? And you guys know I'm really transparent with you. I'm telling you about how my company grows. I'll tell you how many departments we have. I'm telling you how many cases we handle. I'm telling you about approvals. I'm telling you about denials, about everything, right? So we are very transparent with our clients, and we are proud to be transparent because we have nothing to hide. We have 90% approval rate for all our petitions. And this is a result of hard work, of a huge team working on your cases, of the processes that we develop, and everything involved in this process. The first step of how you're becoming a client of my corporation, you can always get a free analysis of your case, right? A free analysis of your case, meaning that you fill out the questionnaire and I analyze it and I'm giving you the free analysis, right? I analyze it and I give you the conclusion as to whether your case is good or not, which criteria I see as good or bad, maybe how you can improve your criteria, and maybe I give you the alternative program for your immigration, and you get it for free. And if I see that your case is good or it needs a little bit of work on that, I will invite you to the immigration planning. What's immigration planning right now? That is a process when we meet for 45 minutes via Zoom or at my office here in Miami, and I collect more data about your achievements, about your business, about your investment. I prioritize the programs for you, and then I build a strategy on the best program for you. And you get that strategy in writing, and you also get a list of documents for that program, right? No attorney is doing things like we do, and nobody is giving you the value that we do. But we don't stop on that. Starting March 1st, we are implementing a new department in the company that's called Department of Complex Immigration Plannings. And the short for that is CIP. We are discontinuing the immigration plannings, but we start the complex immigration planning. What does it mean? Well, now the 45 minutes that you meet with me is expanded to almost hour and a half, and sometimes even more, and is split in two phases. Stage number one, you meet with a data manager. A data manager is a trained specialist in the company who has a training on how to properly ask questions and what kind of information to collect from you. So all you do for 45 minutes up to an hour, you answer the questions that the data manager asks you. The data manager fills out the protocol, and that's what we call the document where all your information is stored and collected. And trust me, that information is going to be so detailed, so thorough, that when it gets to me, when you finish, I analyze it completely, and I already build the strategy that I already have a very deep understanding of your case. So the second phase, you meet with me. That meeting is 30 minutes, but we don't spend the time for collecting more data. Everything is set in stone. So all we need to do is discuss your preliminary strategy. And that document could be up to 10, maybe 20 pages, right? I have all the data. I analyze it, and I already tell you, okay, we have 5 criteria that we can prove right now. Additionally, we can prove 2 criteria if you do X, Y, and Z, and probably we won't be able to prove these 2 criteria because of this, and that. We have that ready. It's very deep, profound, and innovative strategy that you have after we finish the complex immigration planning. And you will get that document after we're done with CIP. And also on top of that, you will be getting the list of documents that is associated with the program that I picked for you. And sometimes it will happen that I will analyze 2 or maybe 3 programs for you based on your facts, on your achievements, on your business, on your investment. So ultimately, you get the 3-step case development strategy. First, you get a free evaluation. Then you meet with a data manager. And then I analyze all the data that we collected from you. And I prepare a complex preliminary strategy for your case, which you have in writing after we finish. What kind of practical application of that process we're gonna be having? Well, first of all, when you hire us and we already have all the data from you, all the links, probably all the documents that you have at the time of complex immigration planning, and that strategy then passes on to the strategy department and to the executive department, and that becomes the landmark of your case. At that stage, we go even deeper in your strategy and build the strategy with deadlines for the 6 months that we will be working on your case. That saves a lot of time for you when you start your case, and that gives a very clear and understandable idea for the rest of the team once they start picking up your case. And you guys know that overall, about 10 people working on each of your case in my company. So this is a lot of resources that we allocate, and you can tell because how serious we treat each client and each case and how many people work on your case. That means the 90+ approval rate for all of your petitions. That's our priority number 1, result for you. So now let's talk about prices, how much it's gonna cost. Right now, immigration planning is $300. The complex immigration planning is gonna cost you $350, okay? And there will be no option. It's not either or. There will be no more immigration plannings. There will be only complex immigration plannings. And by the way, the first 10 of you who will book the CIP, the complex immigration planning, will get it by the old price. So first of you who watch this video and booking the immigration plannings will get the complex immigration planning for the old price of $300. And we start rolling out this program March 1st, 2023. Don't miss this opportunity. Step number 1. You still have to fill out the questionnaire for you so I can give you a free evaluation of your case, all right? All the links for the free evaluation is under this video. For business visas, L1, E2, for investment visa, EB5, for talent visas, O1, EB1A, and EB2 national interest waiver. So make sure you go and you fill out those questionnaires right now, because if you miss it, later on it's gonna cost you more to get the complex immigration planning. The free evaluation is gonna be there forever, right? It's gonna be always free, and it's gonna be very good for you to understand what's good in your case. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube, you smash that like button, you ask the questions, you comment, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. There's exclusive information here and there. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.